How can anyone forget that delicious vanilla cake with custard that we had at school dinners? We've been craving it, let's show you how to make it.
Get the big mixing bowl out and put your butter in first. To make sure it's nice and soft, just leave it out for a few hours at room temperature. This makes it nice and easy to mix.
Then you can add your caster sugar. For this recipe, all the dry ingredients are sifted in. This makes sure you have the smoothest batter for your cake.
Beat your butter and sugar together with a stand mixer, going from a low speed, gradually increasing to a higher speed.
To get the perfect sponge, you need to make sure that you beat the butter and sugar well. To get this right, you should beat it for at least 5 minutes and stop mixing halfway through to scrape the edge of the bowl to make sure everything is fully incorporated and then start again.
Look how nice and fluffy that is. This is how it should look after the mixing.
We're now ready to add our eggs, so crack 2 eggs into a bowl and give them a quick whisk and then add them to your butter and sugar mix.
As before, start at a low speed and then gradually increase the speed until the eggs are mixed in well. This takes about a minute.
We're now going to repeat the same process with another 2 eggs, so in total you use 4 eggs for this recipe.
It's time to add in the dry ingredients, so once again sift the ingredients through to make the batter nice and smooth.
Now we're going back to the stand mixer. Mix on the lower speed until all the flour is incorporated.
I don't know about you guys, but there's something so mesmerizing about watching a KitchenAid at work.
When it looks like this, you're ready to add your final ingredients, then let it keep mixing for another 20 to 30 seconds.
There's always a little bit of flour just at the edge of the bowl, so give it one final mix by hand.
That delicious smooth batter is now ready to bake. So line your baking tray with baking paper and add your batter, making sure it's evenly spread to reach the corners.
Put the tray in a fan oven at 160 degrees.
Check your cake is done by using a toothpick. If it comes out clean, it's ready to go.
Look how light and fluffy that sponge is, and trust me, this goes great with some custard.